Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to charge your iPhone and iPad mini using a quick charge power brick. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, an iPad, the quick charge power brick, and 2 lightning cables. So we can bring the iPhone, bring the iPad, and also bring the power brick on screen, as well as the 2 lightning cables that are required to make this tutorial happen. So we have the power brick on screen. Press the button to turn this on. We have 2 lights available, which equates to 50% battery charge availability. So we can insert one USB into the USB port, and then the lightning cable into the iPad. The iPad itself is now charging. As we can see on screen, 68%. The other USB cable into the USB port, and this into the lightning port of the iPhone. So we are now charging both devices simultaneously at the same time. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.